The KTM 1290 Super Duke R is not just a motorcycle. It is a statement of raw aggression, unfiltered power, and precision engineering. Known across the motorcycle world as the Beast, this machine is built for riders who demand extreme performance without compromise. From its groundbreaking engine to its advanced electronics, the 1290 SDR stands as a flagship of naked sport performance. This video explores the engineering, personality, and dominance of one of the most feared and respected hyper-naked motorcycles ever created. Design philosophy, built to intimidate. The design of the 1290 Super Duke R brings together muscular proportions, sharp lines, and an unmistakable stance that communicates danger and elegance at the same time. Every angle is purposeful. Whether it's the aggressive headlight, the exposed chassis, or the sculpted fuel tank, KTM's signature orange frame remains the core visual identity, contrasting with dark bodywork to create a dynamic, energetic look. The bike looks like it's in motion even when standing still, reinforcing its identity as a track-focused predator ready to attack. Chassis and frame strength meets agility. KTM uses a chromoly steel trellis frame to achieve the perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility. The design allows the bike to remain incredibly stable at high speeds while offering razor-sharp precision during cornering. The swing arm is designed to maximize traction, ensuring consistent tire contact even under hard acceleration. The lightweight chassis contributes to the bike's exceptional handling, making it both a track weapon and a machine that feels nimble in aggressive street riding. The engine AV twin monster. At the heart of the 1290 SDR lies a 13U1GK LC8V twin engine that produces staggering power. This engine is known for its brutal torque delivery, allowing instant acceleration from any RPM. The throttle response is immediate and sharp, offering a sensation of pure mechanical fury. Despite its raw character, the engine remains smooth enough for everyday riding, thanks to advanced internal balancing and refined fuel mapping. The massive torque curve gives riders the confidence to overtake effortlessly and dominate long straights. Electronics package modern control over power. The KTM 1290 Super Duke R is equipped with one of the most robust electronics systems in the hyper-naked class. The bike includes multiple riding modes, lean-sensitive traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and customizable settings for aggressive or controlled riding. The IMU-based system constantly analyzes tilt, speed, brake pressure, and acceleration to maximize performance while maintaining safety. This intelligent electronic suite allows riders to harness the full potential of the engine without fearing loss of control. Suspension system. Precision on every surface. The suspension setup includes high-quality WP Apex components that are fully adjustable. The front forks offer exceptional support during braking and high-speed cornering, while the rear shock provides stability even on uneven surfaces. Riders can fine-tune the bike to match their preferred riding style, whether they prioritize comfort, sport riding, or track domination. The suspension plays a critical role in maintaining the bike's reputation for responsive and predictable handling. Braking performance. Stopping the beast. Braking is handled by top-tier Brembo components, including powerful calipers and large discs designed for repeated high-speed stopping. The system provides a strong initial bite with precise modulation, allowing riders to confidently brake late into corners. Cornering ABS adds an additional layer of safety by maintaining stability even under aggressive braking while leaned over. KTM has engineered the braking system to match the extraordinary power output of the engine, ensuring full control in every situation. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Despite being a hyper-naked powerhouse, the 1290 Super Duke R offers surprisingly comfortable ergonomics. The seat is designed to provide support during long rides, while the handlebar positioning allows riders to maintain a confident posture without excessive strain. The bike's aerodynamic bodywork helps reduce wind resistance, making high-speed riding less tiring. Riders will find that the bike strikes a balance between aggressive sport posture and long-distance comfort. Technology and connectivity. The TFT display provides clear, customizable information, including riding modes, navigation, and performance data. The interface is intuitive, allowing riders to switch settings effortlessly. Additional connectivity features allow smartphone integration for calls, music, and navigation assistance. These modern touches ensure that the bike stays relevant in a technology-driven era without compromising its raw mechanical identity. Track capability born for the Apex. On the track, the KTM 1290 Super Duke R transforms into an apex hunting monster. The combination of raw engine output, responsive chassis, and advanced electronics makes it a formidable competitor. Riders can push deep into corners, accelerate out with confidence, and rely on the traction control to manage wheel spin. The bike's natural handling characteristics make it feel like an extension of the rider's body, delivering a riding experience that is both thrilling and precise. Street performance dominance in real-world riding. On the street, the bike becomes a practical yet exhilarating machine. The broad torque band makes city riding effortless, while the comfortable ergonomics allow riders to enjoy long journeys. The aggressive aesthetics capture attention everywhere, making it a motorcycle that stands out even among premium machines. Whether cruising, commuting, or carving through twisty roads, the 1290 SDR remains unmatched in personality and performance, fuel economy and practicality. Although it is built for performance, the bike offers reasonable fuel consumption for a 13L1cc engine. Special tuning and efficient fuel injection help balance power and economy. The maintenance schedule is designed to be manageable, ensuring long-term reliability even when the bike is ridden aggressively. KTM's engineering focus ensures that riders get maximum longevity without compromising performance. Customization and aftermarket potential. The Super Duke R is a favorite platform for customization. Owners can personalize nearly every aspect, including exhausts, graphics, seats, performance components, and riding accessories. KTM's Power Parts catalog includes premium options specifically designed for this model, allowing riders to enhance both performance and aesthetics. The bike responds well to upgrades, making it a dream for enthusiasts who enjoy refining their machines. Why raiders love the 1290 Super Duke R. The 1290 SDR has a loyal global fanbase, and the reasons are clear. Its power delivery, iconic design, and unrivaled performance place it in a category of its own. Riders appreciate its versatility, comfortable enough for daily use, yet powerful enough to dominate on track days. Most importantly, the bike delivers an emotional connection. Every ride becomes an experience, not just transportation. It is feared, respected, and admired in equal measure. Conclusion: the legend of the beast. The KTM 1290 Super Duke R stands tall as one of the most powerful and advanced naked motorcycles in the world. It is engineered for riders who crave intensity, precision, and unmatched performance. With its explosive engine, refined electronics, and aggressive personality, the 1290 SDR lives up to its title, the Beast. Whether on the street or track, it promises a riding experience that is unforgettable and uncompromising.